Hi everybody, I wanted to show you some things to remember on your 3D shapes this week. Okay, so it's going to ask you some things about finding some objects around the house and counting the faces, the edges, and the vertices. So I just wanted to kind of remind you there is a video, but I thought I'd show you on some objects from my house and some ways that we've kind of talked about it in class already. All right, so the first one, I've just grabbed some random things around my house. The first one is a handy dandy tissue box. So if I'm looking at this box and I'm looking for the edges, remember the edges are kind of those straight lines, almost feels like an edge of a table, okay? But don't forget that the two edges have to go and meet at the vertex or the vertice, okay? If it feels like an edge, so those definitely were two edges going to a vertex. If it feels like an edge, here's my next kind of funny object, a toilet roll, okay, like a cylinder. If it feels like an edge, it feels like an edge of the table, but it doesn't ever come to a vertex anywhere, then it's really not an actual edge, okay? If I have an object like my sphere, my softball here, I don't have any that kind of even feels like an edge. I don't have two edges coming together to make a vertex, so that doesn't have an edge, okay? Speaking of vertices, like I just said, if it's two edges, like on the tissue box, two edges coming together to make that vertice, then I can count my vertices. And remember, a good trick that we did in class was kind of touching on the vertices to see which ones I've counted. So like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So sometimes just touching on them or even putting something like some sticky notes on them. So if I have sticky notes or if I have someone helping me, I can kind of go, okay, I counted that one, put the sticky note on there to see, okay? Also, another thing that you're going to be looking at is the face of your 3D object. So remember, a face is kind of like your face on your body. It's kind of the flat spot. So again, on that tissue box, I'm looking for faces that are flat, okay, like the rectangle part right there, right here. So again, I could touch on them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 faces, okay? If it doesn't have that flat part for your face, no faces, okay? And then again, on my last one, my cylinder, okay, I've got my flat face here, that's a circle, flat face here, that's a circle too. So this one has two faces, okay? So hopefully that helps, and have fun searching for your 3D shapes.